Smoking Cessation Project by Heather Stockton. The method I chose to give my patient is the acupuncture therapy method. It is a complementary medical practice that entails stimulating certain points on the body, most often with a needle penetrating the skin to alleviate pain or to help treat various health conditions. These rates are not the most successful, which I'll get to in a moment, but this patient has tried many different ways to stop smoking, and I thought this was a good way, a different way for her to try. This method aligns with the patient's way of life, so it can also, the patient has a lot of stress in their life, and this could also act as a stress reliever in some ways. For the research, according to the article Smoking Cessation with Counseling and Traditional Chinese Medicine, a randomized controls trial, when acupuncture is coupled with traditional Chinese medicine, it can have a success rate of 30 to 33%. This is actually not that great of a percentage compared to other ways, but for this patient, it does show that it can be successful and it could be a good option for someone who's tried it a million different ways. This is I made a trifold brochure for this patient with different resources to help them quit smoking. On the front is just kind of basic information and with typical solutions for this patient. And then on the back of the brochure, I talk about acupuncture, which is the way I've suggested for this patient. And then I offer 2 different clinics this person can go to. I also talked about that both clinics take insurance. So this person can give their insurance and it will be a reduced cost, which is wonderful. Also talk about some of the techniques with smoking cessation and just different ways that they can help quit smoking. Thank you. These are my references.